Ocimum gratissimum L, commonly referred to as scentleaf, is one of the newly found medicinal plants that may be used as a source for a new medication or as an alternative therapy for a number of illnesses. It is an aromatic perennial herbaceous plant that is widely grown and commercially successful. It is found in Africa, Asia, and South America and is a member of the Lamiaceae family. It can be added to fish, meat, soups, and stews as a natural flavoring, condiment, or vegetable. A number of illnesses, including cough, pneumonia, fever, eye problem, inflammation, anemia, diarrhea, pains, and bacterial and fungal infections, are also treated with it in traditional medicine. Using scentleaf or Africa basil for a stroke patient. Ingredients: 10 pieces of Africa basil or scentleaf. Tomatoes 1 clove of garlic. 1 cup of purified water. Steps: blend all the ingredients together. Dosage: drink 100 milliliters at least a day before meal. Before you decide to take any medicinal herb or herbal supplement, be sure to consult with your healthcare professional first. Avoid self-diagnosis and self-medication, always be on the safe side. Subscribe, comment and share to save someone's life.